Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change birthday on Snapchat after the limit. To start the process, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Now tap on setting icon on your top right. Here, tap on birthday. Tap on your birthday date. As you can see, the option to edit your birthday is not available on Snapchat app. Then go back to the settings and scroll down until you get the option of I need help. Here tap on Contact Us. Now select the option of I need help with the Snapchat feature. Then scroll down and select Settings from the given list. After that, select the option of Changing my birthday. Here you will find a detailed answer of why you cannot change your birthday after the limit. You can simply follow these steps to edit your birthday if you haven't reached your birthday change limit. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.